So how would you describe post-quantum? What is it? How is it changing? And how do we protect our communications in the internet?
Well, when you talk about post-quantum, you have to start by a little tiny bit of talking about quantum computing. So the difference between classical computing and quantum computing is that within classical computing, ultimately you have pieces of information that are stored as 0 or 1, usually by an electrical charge. With a quantum computer, an individual piece of information can have multiple values. You can have 0, 1, or 0 and 1 at the same time. Now, that doesn't sound like that would make a huge amount of difference, but the issue is that with these new bits of information, they call them quantum bits or qubits, you can take groups of qubits and you can actually solve different mathematical problems simultaneously, which you cannot do with a classical computer. And when we're talking about post-quantum and how we protect ourselves in the age of post-quantum, the issue with our current cryptography methods is that if you have a powerful enough computer that can apply enough permutations, enough solutions simultaneously, then you can crack any code that we have.
Wow.
With post-quantum cryptography, what we're looking to do is to come up with solutions that are more difficult even for quantum computers, such that a solution is something that will take on the order of millions of years, or as I like to say, heat death of the universe. Whenever you start talking about something in terms of entropy, that you'll have a secret, that's good enough. So when we're talking about post-quantum, we're really talking about the fact that quantum computers can solve multiple solution paths of a mathematical problem in a way that classical computers, that today's computing technology simply cannot solve. And with post-quantum algorithms, we're looking for solutions that can enable our secrets to be stored in a way that even with these post-quantum computers, we can talk about security.
TripleCyber, triple enabling the internet. You can now watch and listen to the full episode on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, and Spotify.